Hey guys, Wayne with Family Acreage Farms. We got the sheep out here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 2 left on the other side. They're over there goofing around. These guys are happy. We have 1 escapee of these, thanks to the ducks rounding out the fence over and over again. But it's been a busy week. Number 9, she was always escaping. She went to auction yesterday. Sad day. We wanted to keep her, at least for processing, butcher, sell. We sent her to the Seguin auction. And then you can see here, they're right next to the calves. The sheep here are next to the calves. I need to get this fence hot though. It's not hot. We have it all up. And but the calves have been sniffing on them through the chicken netting. And so you see number 23 there. She don't seem to be too crazy about them or too upset about them. They don't look like a dog to her, so I don't think it bothers her too much. See if you can walk up behind one of those babies. There's the one with the bag right there. No, the calf, or the lamb. The one closest to our left. That one has a bag on her. I don't know if she was bred or what. But she may be having a baby sooner than later. But we're gonna need to get this electrified. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, okay?
All right. Say thanks, please, like. Oh, are they coming?
They're thinking about coming.
Come on, Tina. Come on.
Are we gonna shut them off from here, right?
Well, it'd be nice to just have the water still there.
We'll move the water. We'll keep the ducks out of it. There's already feathers in here again. Come on, Tina, let's go on. Hop on that girl. I'll go that way. She'll follow. They're gonna follow us. Not
Oh,
that
wrong way, Tina. Tina. Come on.
Hey, you stay here. I'll walk her out. There, she comes. She coming.
Come this way. That way.
There you go. Go on that way.
Hey, Tina. There you go, Tina.
There we go, guys. Plenty of room. Go get that green stuff. Here she goes. Run.
Whee!
I'm missing out. All right, you can talk away, baby. I'm gonna get this lot hot.
All right, well, I think in the next couple of days we'll integrate them completely. So the cows are here. Tina's here. In her previous home, she loved being with the cows, so I think it'll be an easy transition. So this is the way we're doing it, and then hopefully it'll be just smooth sailing. We're all in one. But all right, well, keep watching. Please like, share, subscribe. All right, have a great day.